All right, let's talk about something else as well. When we place something in here, we're actually creating a link to that. So if you look over here in the folder that I've created, you can see there's the dog there. If I move that dog off into another place, it's gone now. When I go in here, you can see now I've got a little question mark, and that's because it doesn't know where it's at. There's actually a window called the links window, which is right here, which can tell you that it's there. Now what I can do is I can double click, and depending on your operating system, you might need to allow. So now if I go to my desktop, I can click on the image that I'm looking for and then reconnect it. But this is why it's super important that you just keep everything in a folder where it needs to be. The reason for this, though, if we look at this, is if I were to open up that picture of the dog. So now I'm in Photoshop with a picture of the dog. And if I were to say, do something like, let's say, add a mustache to the dog. And let's make the opacity full here. Or even to give the dog really cool sunglasses. And then if I were to save it, now if I come back here, you'll see that the resolution has gone down a little bit, and there is this little exclamation point. If I double click on that, it'll update it, and now I've got my dog with sunglasses and a mustache. In the next section, we'll talk a little bit about working with text.